Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Lovable AI project. But it's actually pretty simple and straightforward, but make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything. So the first thing you're going to have to do once you're on the Lovable AI website, you're going to have to go to your project. So simply scroll down until you see your last open project or any other one that you want to select. So in this case, I'm going to select this one. And once your project loads up, you're then going to have to go to the top left menu and then click on settings. So from here, you're then going to have to select domains. And then from here, you're then going to be able to see your default domain. But to use your own Godaddy domain, simply click on add existing domain, which is going to be here. So once you click on this, you're then going to have to enter your domain name and continue. So this is going to be the domain from Godaddy. So Lovable will then detect that your domain is registered with Godaddy. So once it does that, you actually have two choices. You can either log into Godaddy directly through Lovable for an automatic connection, or you can also choose to set it up manually, which I'm going to walk you through. So for the manual setup, simply log into your Godaddy account. And once you're here, you then have to go to the domain list. So once you have any domains here, you then have to click on manage right next to it. And once you do that, you then have to open DNS management. So this allows you to add the two A records that Lovable provides. The first one is the host, so simply paste in the IP address from Lovable. And the second A record is going to be the second host, so you can simply paste in the second IP address from Lovable. And once that's all done, you then have to save both A records, and if there are any old or conflicting records, simply delete them so only the two required ones remain. Then once you're back in Lovable, simply confirm by clicking I have added 2 out of 2 records, then hit done. And once you do that, your domain will literally start connecting. But do make sure to keep in mind, DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, so if it doesn't work right away, just be patient, and you can always check the progress using a site like DNS Checker to make sure your records are live. And that's it. So your Godaddy domain will now be connected to your Lovable AI project. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.